Alright, so today we're going to be installing the Delkevic 200mm carbon fiber mini exhaust on a Honda CB 500F. So this is what it looks like. It's got the baffle in there, the DB killer. It's got the link pipe. It's got the two clamps already on it. It's got O-ring for it, along with the metal casing that goes on the rubber casing that goes on the inside of that. You see it, it's not really loud. It's got the little whining to it. Just looking at this, I know what tools are needed, so I need to take this off. This is where that metal clamp goes with the rubber piecing, so when we take this off, it's going to go around the new carbon fiber. I'm going to take this off, and then there's I don't know if you can see it, but there is a bolt over here, a little clamp. So we're going to be taking this whole housing off. Let's just start taking things apart. You know, that's the best way to do it. Let's get Alright, before the installation, please ensure that your bike is flat, stable surface, stable enough. You know what, fuck reading, let's just do it. We're gonna pause this recording because I gotta take a dump. Alright, we're back from dropping the Cosby kids off at the pool. Where were we?